Finding the area of a circle. Pause the video and write down the formula to find the area of a circle. So, to find the area of a circle, you need to use the formula A equals pi r squared. The area of the circle equals pi multiplied by the radius squared. Should note in the formula you're just squaring the radius, you're not squaring pi, so maybe square the radius first and then multiply by pi when doing it in the calculator. Pause the video and give examples 6 and 7 a go. Example 6. Find the area of a circle with a radius of 10 centimeters. So to find the area of a circle, we use the formula A equals pi r squared. So we then have to get pi and multiply it by the radius, which is 10 squared. So that would be 100 pi, or 314.2 centimeters squared. I've rounded that to one decimal place. Just checking the question, it could be 3 significant figures, in which case that would be 314. And if you are rounding it a certain way, maybe it's good to write down to 1 dp if the question didn't give you a way to round it. Squared units because it's an area. Example 7. Find the area of the circle. Again, area of a circle is pi r squared. That's pi multiplied by the radius squared. In this example, the radius is not 6, the diameter is 6, the radius will be half of that, which will be 3. So 3 squared. So we do pi times 3 squared, which gives you 9 pi, or 28.3 to 3 significant figures.